controllers. You take it out. We're gonna put them right here for now. And then you have the actual tablet. So it's here. And then you pull this thing up and you have your cable, the cable, another one. Then this is the controller. You could slide these two controllers into here to make one, and you hold it like that. Then we have these. You attach it to here. We're supposed to have two of them. And you attach it to here, and then it becomes like a bracelet, like a wristband, or you can put it on here. And finally, we have the dock that you put it under your TV, and when you put the screen inside, it slides in and it connects to your TV. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in another video. Bye.